Find a comfortable resting space away from all of the distractions. Allow the body to be fully supported by the surface beneath you, allowing your arms to rest easily by your sides. Maybe your palms are facing up for gentle receiving. Feet falling gently apart. Eyes softly closed. Feeling the weight of your body settling into stillness. Nothing to hold and nothing to do. And now bring to mind a simple intention. Not something you need to strive for, but something you are ready to allow. Silently repeating it to yourself gently and clearly. It could be something simple such as I rest, my body remembers safety. As I soften, my energy realigns. I rise rested, clear, and steady. Hold the feeling of your intention, not the words, but the sense, and allow it to settle quietly into the body. And now we'll move on a rotation of consciousness, bringing your awareness to your right hand, feeling the thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. Feeling the palm of the hand and the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and the shoulder. The right side of the chest and the waist, the hip, the thigh, the knee, the calf, the ankle, and the heel. The sole of the right foot, and all of the toes, one by one. The big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring awareness to the left side of the body, the left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring and little finger, the palm of the hand and the back of the hand, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, and the shoulder, the left chest, the waist, and the hip, the thigh, the knee, the calf, the ankle, and the heel, the sole of the foot, and all of the toes, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now bring awareness to the back of the body. Notice the heels resting, the calves, the backs of the knees, the thighs, the pelvis heavy, the lower back, the mid back, and the upper back. Shoulder blades gently melting, the back of the neck, the base of your skull, and now the front body, the throat soft, collarbones, the back of the neck, and the base of the skull. And now bring awareness to the front body, the throat open and soft, the collarbones broad, the chest rising and falling, the belly warm and relaxed, the hips are open, the legs are heavy, the ankles are soft, and the feet at ease. The whole body is resting as one unified field of sensation. And now bring awareness to the base of the spine, the root center, imagining a deep, steady warmth here, a sense of grounding, support, belonging, sensing to yourself, I am held. Moving awareness to your lower belly, to the sacral center, a gentle flow, creativity and ease, allowing pleasure without effort, sensing I move with flow through my life. And now bring awareness to the solar plexus, center just above the navel, feeling a soft inner glow, not forced, but with clarity, confidence, without tension, sensing I trust my inner strength. Shifting awareness to your heart center, open and expansive, balanced between giving and receiving, sensing I am connected. Awareness to your throat center, cool, spacious, and clear, sensing my truth flows with ease. Awareness rising to the center of the forehead, the brow center, a quiet stillness here, insight without effort, seeing clearly without judgment. Sense I perceive calm with open awareness. And now the crown of your head, light, open, effortless. Sense I am aligned. Feeling all of the energy centers gently connected, like a smooth vertical current moving through the body, grounded below, open above. And now allowing the breath to move naturally, with no control and no direction, resting in this state of effortless awareness, the body deeply relaxed, the mind clear and receptive. And if thoughts arise, let them drift past like clouds. You remain resting, aware, steady, and calm. And now gently returning to your intention, repeat your intention to yourself, or maybe these words will resonate with you. As I rest, my body remembers safety. As I soften, my energy realigns. As I rise, I feel rested, clear, and steady. And know that your intention is now integrated, not through effort, but through rest. Slowly begin to remember the space that you're in and the space that surrounds you. Becoming more aware of the surface beneath you, the breath in your body. When you're ready, gently wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, and rock your head slowly side to side in a slow awakening. As you gently blink your eyes open, carry this steadiness with you and return to your day. Namaste.